Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the domain and scope, so you limit complexity and decide which questions the schema must answer. Once done, inventory entities and their obvious attributes, mark one-to-many or many-to-many relationships. Make sure to pick a notation you and stakeholders understand, for example diagrams or simple boxes and arrows. These first steps give you a working map to iterate on, and they prevent wasted effort on irrelevant details. Now you model structure. Normalize to reduce redundancy, but balance normalization versus query performance. Practical schemas are usable, not theoretical. As you assign primary and foreign keys, choose stable identifiers and explicit data types so integrations behave predictably. Once relationships are explicit, sketch typical queries and add derived fields or indexes only where profiling shows benefit. By iterating and validating, finalize by running representative queries against sample or real data to confirm performance and correctness, and make sure you capture assumptions and constraints in documentation. Once done, assign ownership for tables and fields so future changes are controlled. If something breaks, reproduce the error with a small dataset, then roll back or test fixes in isolation. This reduces risk and narrows the root cause. One key tip: when facing unexpected joins, inspect key cardinalities first to catch modeling errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.